Most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. No, like the my one of the my friends, like my subscriber, sending me screenshot on my WhatsApp because I am already give you my number on WhatsApp, like plus 92 311 7677438 my WhatsApp number. So he's sending me like the screenshot and they asking me please making about this video Doorman Story Hotel Simulator game about. So this is the most famous game and I will be helping to you how to complete to be this game levels. All about this is the video so easily. I will be explaining you how to be complete to be this reach 100 level. Just I want you will be completely watching my video, then you will be understand what I asking to you about this video, because I give you advice and I will be give you best tips and tricks how to complete to be fast easily you will be this game. So I hope you will be completely watching my video and request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm more helping to you. So let's start this video and never be skipping this video because I'm more helping to you every time every day. So let's start this video. So guys, I'm be completely like we already download this game Doorman Story Hotel Simulator game, and they all of this everything more easily, because many of people sometimes not to be understand what like be completed to be this game. And before I request you be end of watching this video because I'm more helping to you, and I will be clicking on third start to be levels like we playing this game, and I will be request you be end of watching this video because I'm more helping to you, because this is the more interesting game and like the customer coming here and just to be give you everything for of this person. Okay, coming in. Okay, and you will be clicking on this option. So okay, tap to continue and clicking no. Okay, she go to be in this room. So before you will be ask this man to be helping to you, this man helping to you, and I will be go to be this side and I will be clicking on these options. I will be collecting my coins. Okay, so I will be go move back here. Okay, this you will be go on this stage. Okay, fourth side you will be go. Okay, I will be go on this stage and she want to be this. Okay, thank you. So I want to be go this side collecting my coins, and I will be go move back and I will be go again on this stage. Okay, thank you. I will be go move back this. Okay, they man already be asking to me these swords. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I will be give you this sides. She will be coming on this stage. Okay, collecting my coins. Okay, skipping this air you will be see like we I'm be easily to complete it to be my like be third levels like be this is the everything more easily, not to be any have this like be games hard now, because I will be explain you all about this game and how to complete to be these games, and this is the more interesting and good game, and before I will be helping to you every time. Okay, so it's okay, no problem. I will be clicking on these options, collecting no have. Okay, no problem. So this type they asking me soda, so I will be, but I need to be more wants to be queens because I will be starting to be next levels. So starting to my next levels because I needed to more queens, because saving your queens and customer coming here. No back, no have any customer coming here. Okay, one of the person coming, they asking to me rooms, and okay, you will be go here, you will be go this because woman room, so better you will be go this, and okay, you give all these women's. Okay, thank you. Okay, collecting my coins, collecting this room. Okay, Okay, I will receiving my coins. They give you a room again, and receiving my coins. They asking to me any room, and I will be freshing now because okay, to be go here, she want to be something and give to be this person. Okay, go to be there. Okay, go to be there. Because this she like we want something, and I be move back again on this stage. Okay, thank you. Okay, I give this words. Okay, thank you. Okay, completing my like the game levels. So this type this game and all about this is the everything easily, no, not to be any hurts, no, because I'm more helping to you every time every day, because just I will be explain you how to complete to be this game level standards everything more easily, no, not to be anything hard, just to be watching every time my video, because I'm more helping to you every time. Okay, claim now. Okay, okay, receiving my rewards. Okay, go to move back again, because sometime customer needed something more needed one, so I will pay him, because already I'm saving my more coins, because needed to be more coins I will be saved, then I will be easily to complete to be this game, because customer coming here and working so hardly, and this boy so much work hardly now. Okay, you will be go this. Okay, you will be go this. You will be go this. Okay. Okay, she needed want to be something. Okay, I will be moved back here. Okay, okay, something need to be more, like the washing room saving now. So fastly, like we're working hardly, because customer coming here. Okay, oh my god, giving up. Okay, retry, play now again. Customer coming here and my spirits now to be goods, and before you working hardly now how to how to manage this game. And be okay, you will be go here, you will be go here, you will be go here. You will be go here. Okay, I'll be receiving. I will be move back like we here. Sorry, receiving my rewards. Okay, because I move back here and to be fast. Okay, again giving up because this is the more hard game, like we everything more to be uh, retry and playing now hard game and everything. Just I will be explaining how to complete to be this game. Okay, I'm again move back. Sorry. Sorry, I will be move back here. So much hard working. Okay. No. Okay. Receiving my words. Oh my god, one of the problem. And so this type this game, and I hope you will be understand how to complete to be this level.